Good morning, YouTube. It was a busy weekend. This youngest son of ours is keeping us on our toes, but you can join along in the fun. Bentley has posted his second video on his own YouTube, Built by Benny. I can throw a couple little clips in here, give you a little teaser, but we would love if you go and support him. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like. It's all the adrenaline basketball dirt bike kind of things on one channel that he edits and does everything himself. He got a new bike and he did a bunch of footage with the GoPro. I gave him some clips of his new YZ 125 and he's killing it. He's just doing so great. It's mind-blowing how that kid, anything he puts his mind to, he really just conquers. And he does not give up when things don't go right. But the boys, the whole crew is off at a job. I'm catching up on some housework and office work. Gearing up for the 2025 Equip Expo at the Kentucky Expo Center, and we hope to see you guys there. Thanks for supporting our little family-run business, and enjoy the few clips. Feel free to go subscribe at Built by Benny 73. Hope you guys all have the best Monday ever, and we'll see you later this week with some landscaping content.
For the track or lap.
I gotta go this side. You're too tall now.
Might take him 3.
Yeah.
After that, and then as soon as I took the camera out, he was clearing the table and railing the berms, and I'm like, yeah, all right, he's comfortable now.
Our table isn't that big. The only thing I didn't want to do is overdo it.
Right.
But then I did once or twice, and
You can flatland this on stuff like that.
because the jump's pretty small, like 15, 20 footer.
Recording?
Yeah.
I don't know. I see a red flashing light.
Yep.
You
Okay.
going for it? Where's your stand?
I got
Mom
it.
got it. We're at the Rock Pile in Warren, New Hampshire. I want a new bike to me. It's a 2019 YZ 125.
Pick this up.
Okay, you're good.
Where'd we get this bike?
It was like, was it something OX?
Oh, it was like Ox something. Yeah.
So it's like you're on the Connecticut line, Rhode Island's right there, but it's only 2 hours.
Love you. Be careful.
Love you, Dad.
2.5.
Love you, Dad.
Love you, bud. Fun. Your gas back on?
Is this recording?
Yep.
Yeah, guys, still on. We're good.
I don't know. You're pretty good about shutting it off, but then I gotta make sure you remember to turn it back on.
I did that like 3 times yesterday. Pit bike has to leave on, but this I'm a little.
It gets
a little
pretty
more
good
careful.
mileage though. You get like 3 laps before it bogs.
Yeah.
think they're coming here. I think they're on the other side.
Not Bentley. The other
I know.
guy.
Like where the dirt is. Joe, what do you think about the rock pile?
I like it. I see it as really good for Bentley and good for us to see how like a practice track like this operates and is laid out. We definitely have the space for it. This is about 6 acres, the guy said that this is on.
Here, we'll get it.
That's cool, those two riding. Or
Oh yeah. You gotta stay right here so I can get another.
he fucking loves it.
Yeah, he does. That kid's gonna sleep on the way home.
Oh yeah, I might too.
How do you remember what Mike said?
I don't
How
remember.
long is the track? Just over a mile?
The track is just over a mile. I forget how long he said his trail loop was.
Because it's not just a motocross track. There are trails. So here you can go to the left and stay on track, or here you can veer to the right and there's, I think he said, miles of woods trails.
I don't know how many miles on his. I know that there's
It can connect
miles
right down the
connected.
road.
You can go up the road if you're on like a
Street legal.
No, trail legal.
Okay.
You can connect from here to there if your bike is just registered.
With a trail legal bike. And with a trail legal bike, that trail can bring you right to the center of town.
Yep.
To
go to
the
places
little
to
country store.
Places to get gas. He said that way there's like, I forget if he said 6 or 16 miles or whatever, but there's a nice trail that goes out to a pond.
But no, this place is my dream for Bentley in our backyard. It is perfect. The owner is so nice. You pay 20 bucks a day. You sign a waiver.
It's 30
And
bucks for an adult.
30 bucks for an adult, 20 for youth. And the ground is great. There's ample parking. You show up, you hang out, you ride some laps, you cook some burgers, and you go back out.
There's what, maybe 15 bikes here right now?
Yep.
And he said that's typical for a Sunday this time of year. But it's, you know, a lot of people that do 3 to 5 laps and chill. And so if you want the track to yourself, you can easily pick like a open track time.
So laid back, so fun. Up here in Warren, New Hampshire. Check it out.
it's like a 2-minute track.
Oh yeah.
So if he's
Anywhere.
2.5 minutes, minute and a half, like
Yeah.
I don't
I have
know.
no idea.
I don't know where anybody else is, but I'm pretty sure the owner said it's like a 2-minute track.
And we told Bentley we were not gonna, one last thing and be done. And this is the last go round on the track, and that we weren't gonna time him because it's the end of the day and
He
he's
doesn't know we're
tired.
timing him.
But Dad's got a timer going on here.
He probably had faster times earlier in the day because he was really starting to cook. But
Yeah, it's impressive how far that kid's come in like this summer.
very first time on a big bike on a big track, and he was ripping.
Been on a track for literally like 35 days. And only been on it. This is his third time
And he had
ever.
a guy on a 254 stroke that, like, race numbers, older, clearly rides, that Bentley said, I tried to let him pass a couple times and he didn't, so.
So he just kept going. Oh no, I thought he was coming up this way. This track does kind of trick you. There's so many like S turns or whatever. I'm like, oh, this time he's coming around.
Oh, I think I can just hit lap and it'll reset too, so I'm gonna try that.
But this one's him, I think.
So I'm at 1:50.
Minute 50?
54 seconds.
154. Ooh.
So I guess if the guy says a 2-minute track, that's his average, then the kid that just came here for the first time is doing all right.
Yeah, I guess so, huh?
First lap, 154.46. Second lap, 154.65. So
Nice.
it's slightly slower, but essentially the same time.